Market economy, justice, objective thinking and product development share the same feature, which is also the reason behind the success of market economies. It is giving feedback to each thing according to what it is like. But there is one exception to this rule in most or all market economies, which leads to the accumulation of wealth to certain individuals and groups without them themselves being any better than anybody else, not the ones who earned the money. It is the inheritance right. If one would like to get the best kind of system, all heritages ought to go to the state which would support all fairly, according to justice which respects human values. That would produce the most benefit to the nation. The first problem with this is that in farming, children often inherit the farms of their parents. It is on almost all farms this way, so in some sense the food production is based solely on the inheritance right. One answer would be to let the children buy, possibly for debt, the farm of their parents. They could have a privilege to be the first ones to buy it, and maybe for a lower price, but so that they would need to pay the difference to the state if they later decided to sell the farm to outsiders. But would it still be too expensive for them?